the right meeting space when you need it. Ballows Hall, located at 1901 East Arkansas Lane, Suite 106 in Arlington, Texas, 76010. Located at 1901 East Arkansas Lane, Suite 106 in Arlington, Texas, 76010. Ballows Hall. Book meeting rooms by the hour or day with an easy text to 817-313-5689. Yes, that's 817-313-5689. Unlike other halls, parking space is never an issue with Ballows Hall. Equipped with a great sound system, no time limitation to any meeting, Ballows Hall with a standard fee of $350 all day, all night. Looking for a convenient place for private office, meeting room, conference room, boardroom, deposition, co-working, cubicle, training room, presentation room, remote office? Ballows Hall is here. Make your reservation today. 817-313-5689.